In this video, we're going to do a DIY Hoya Kerrii and succulent pot up. You need a Hoya Kerrii, a trailing succulent of your choice, pottery, soil, and pebbles. The first thing you're going to do is see how high you want your Hoya Kerrii to sit in your pot, and then you're going to fill with soil accordingly. We like to use the EB Stone cactus and succulent mix because it's really well draining, which is perfect for the succulent and the Hoya Kerrii. You gently squeeze out the plant, place it where you want, and you're going to place it a little bit farther back in the pot than you might think because you're going to place the succulent in front. Gently squeeze out your trailing succulent, and here we're using string of pearls, but you can really use just about any trailing succulent. You can just pick up whatever is available at the nursery. It would be really cute if you could use string of hearts too. Depending on your plant, you may need to actually break it up into a few different pieces, but with this 4-inch string of pearls, we were able to just kind of flatten out the plant a bit. And once you adjust the two plants where you want them, you're going to backfill with some more soil. And don't forget to add a little bit of extra soil at the front for that trailing succulent. Once you've added all of your soil, you're next going to add your pebbles. And this is really just for looks. It helps it look a little bit more polished, which is perfect if you're planning on gifting this. And don't forget to add a little bit of the pebbles where you might see the soil at the front of the pot up. And that's it. The care for this pot up is really simple. You want to put it in some bright light and be sure to only water once the soil dries out.